My name's Aaron Croman, and I'm going to show you how to elongate your fingers in Photoshop. Okay, so in here we have a beautiful hand. I'm going to copy it by dragging the layer into the new layer, make a background copy, just to kind of preserve it, making sure it stays safe. And then I'm going to use the magnetic lasso tool. This will kind of cut things out, but of course it's not a perfect cut. Some of the flash from the camera kind of got in the way, so it tracks a little funny. But we can kind of edit it with the lasso tool, subtracting the selection area, or we can just kind of erase it. So either way. And now that we've gone here, we can hit enter and it'll track back all the way to the other side of the hand. The magnetic lasso tool is a really great tool for saving time, but sometimes it's just not perfect and you got to go in and edit it yourself. Now I'm going to use the erase tool. Oop, I'm using the brush. Now we're using the eraser. There we go. So double check to make sure I have all the settings right. Maybe knock down the opacity a little bit more. Just try and make it as, doesn't have to be totally clean or anything like that. I might not even erase the little bit between the fingers. I'm just kind of cleaning up a little bit. And we have the layer underneath it, so it will kind of cover up our mistakes a bit. Okay, now that I've done that, I'm going to go to Edit and Free Transform. You can also use Transform and Scale, but I'm just going to use this. And you just start pulling it up, and those fingers getting longer. Now there's a lot of breakage down here. That's okay. We can just kind of bring it down a little. And hold Shift so it goes directly down. And there we go. And then hit Enter to fix it on there. And then I'm going to turn the background back on so it kind of fills everything in there. The fingers are covered up by these fingers, so looks perfectly fine. And then Command or Control D to deselect. And there you go. That is how you elongate fingers. My name is Aaron Croman. Good luck with your art.